Hey everybody, going to give you a quick rundown of the two paintball markers that I use. I use the Planet Eclipse Etha 2 and the Shaka XLS. And so with the Etha 2, I run with the Vulcan 6845 tank, the Ninja Pro V2, and the Spire IR, and I got a Shaft FR barrel back in the pro tip for that. And for my XLS, I have a Ninja 6845 with another Pro V2 regulator and the Spire 200, and of course the XLS comes with the Freak XL barrel back. And so I'll be shooting paint with some 682 inserts. So let's see how they shoot. Here we go. I'm going to start off with the Etha 2 semi-uncapped. Lastly, we're going to have the XLS semi-uncapped. Move. Go get it. Get it. Oh.